In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate sales reports from Shopify. Imagine having the power to grasp your store's performance with just a few clicks. That's exactly what we're aiming for today. Whether you're trying to track your sales over a specific period, or simply trying to gain insights into which products are flying off the shelves, generating sales reports can be incredibly insightful and rewarding. To begin, after logging into your Shopify account, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel on your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Analytics. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Reports. Doing so will guide you to a new section where a wealth of information awaits. Now, you're presented with a comprehensive list of runnable reports. Think of this as your analytical toolbox, where each report offers a different perspective on how your Shopify store is performing. It's worth taking a moment here to appreciate the variety. Each report is tailored to meet different business needs, providing you with the insights required to make informed decisions. Next, the focus shifts to sales. Within this section, you can simply type sales into the search bar. This is your shortcut to unveiling a list of reports specific to sales data. The results might vary, based on what exactly you're hoping to discover. Each report available here is like a magnifying glass, offering you a closer look at various aspects of your store's sales data. You'll notice that the names of the reports give you a pretty good indication of what each one covers. For instance, you might see options for reports on sales over time, sales by product, or possibly even sales by traffic source. Simply click on the one that's most relevant to your current needs. That single click is all it takes to run your chosen report and plunge into the data that can shape your business strategy. And that's essentially it. By following these straightforward steps, you now know how to generate sales reports from Shopify. Remember, exploring these reports can reveal important trends and insights, which in turn can guide you in optimizing your store's performance. So, whether you're managing inventory, strategizing marketing campaigns, or simply wanting to measure growth, these reports are your go-to resource. Dive in, explore the data, and use it to power your business decisions into the future. Happy reporting, and may your sales numbers soar as you continue to leverage the full potential of your Shopify store's analytics.